What do Ekrepairs of East Kilbride fix? Smartphone screen replacement. Smartphone battery replacement. Smartphone water damage repair where applicable. Charging port repair. Home button repair. All iPhone models. All Samsung models. All Huawei models. All LG models. All HTC models. All Google Pixel models. All iPad models. Other smartphones and tablets. Laptop PC repair. Desktop computer repair. PlayStation console repair. Xbox console repair. Any Nintendo Wii console. Nintendo Switch console. If you need help fixing any of these gadgets, then come on down to Ekrepairs 18 Whin Place, East Kilbride G74, 3XS. Telephone 01355 222438. www.ekrepairs.co.uk